All right. So if you're looking to generate leads on LinkedIn and want a smooth workflow, HubSpot can make it much easier. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use HubSpot for LinkedIn lead generation. Yeah, from capturing prospects to managing and following up with them efficiently. First, connect your LinkedIn Ads account to HubSpot. Go to Marketing Arrow Ads, Arrow Connect account, select LinkedIn, and authorize the connection. This allows HubSpot to capture leads directly from LinkedIn campaigns. Next, create a LinkedIn lead gen form. Make sure your form asks for key information like name, email, and company. HubSpot can automatically sync submissions from these forms to your CRM. Once the form is live, HubSpot will capture leads automatically. Go to Contacts, All Contacts, and filter by LinkedIn campaign or form submission to see new leads. Set up workflows to nurture these leads. For example, send welcome emails, follow-ups, or schedule calls automatically. HubSpot's workflows save time and make sure no leads fall through the cracks. Use lead scoring to identify the most engaged prospects. HubSpot can score leads based on form completions, email opens, and other activity. Then segment high-quality leads for personal outreach. Finally, track your LinkedIn campaigns in HubSpot. Use Reports, Arrow Ads, Arrow Campaign Performance to see impressions, clicks, submissions, and ROI. This helps you optimize your campaigns and get better results over time. And that's it. That's how you use HubSpot for LinkedIn lead generation. From connecting ads and capturing leads to nurturing, scoring, and tracking performance. Your LinkedIn prospecting just got a lot easier. All right, that's it for this one. That's how you use HubSpot for LinkedIn lead generation. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hello, everyone.